Yes, children, today we shall start exercise 3.2 from the topic Understanding Quadrilaterals, question number 1. We have to find x in the following figures. These figures are given. We have to find the measure of x. Okay, so we already know that sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So we will use this property to find the measure of x. Since sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. So we have angle x plus 125 degree plus 125 degree. This is equal to 360 degree. ठीक है? This implies that x plus 125 कितना हुआ 250 degree. This is equal to 360 degree. ठीक है? This further implies that x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. ठीक है? So this is equal to 110 degree. आप एक बार सॉल्व भी करके देख लो 360 और 250. 0 6 minus 5 1 3 minus 2 1. ठीक है? So measure of angle x is equal to 110 degree, right? Now we come to the second part of the question. In this question, we have to find the measure of angle x. This is given 60 degree, this is given 60 degree. And this symbol, this represents that this angle is 90 degree, right? Again, we will use the same property. Sum of the exterior angles of the polygon is 360 degree. So we'll write here, since the sum of all the exterior angles of the polygon is 360 degree. So we have what? X plus 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree equal to 360 degree. ठीक है? This implies that x plus, अब ये देखो 60 और 90 मिला के कितना हुआ 150. 150 plus 70 मिला के कितना हुआ 220. This is equal to 360 degrees. This implies that x is equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree. All right. This is equal to 140 degree. एक बार और करके देख लेते हैं. देखो 360 और 220. 0 6 minus 2 4 3 minus 2 1. ठीक है? So measure of angle x is 140 degree. All right. Now we come to question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. ठीक है? Now हमको क्या निकालना है? Measure of each exterior angle. और हमें दिया क्या है? Sides दिया है. ठीक है? तो what formula we use? Measure of each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree divided by number of sides. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे number of sides कितने दिए हैं? 9 दिए हैं. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will divide 360 degree by 9. अब हम divide करते हैं इसको. 9 1 जा 9. अब 9 2 जा 18, 9 3 जा 27, 9 4 जा 36 और ये हो गया 0 डिग्री. So this is 40 degrees. So measure of each exterior angle of this regular polygon having 9 sides is 40 degrees. Is this clear? Now we come to the next part. In this part, we have been given the number of sides are 15. Okay. Again, we use the same formula. Measure of exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. All right. And here the number of sides given to us are how many? 15. So what do we do here? 360 divided by 15. Okay. So 15 ones are 15. यहाँ पे 15 twos are 30. 6 remainder 60 हो जाएगा. 15 fours are 60. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Measure of exterior angle is 24 degree. So we will write measure of each exterior angle of the regular polygon having 15 sides is 24 degree. Okay. Now coming to the third question. ठीक है. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree? अब इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है? हमें क्या निकालना है? नंबर ऑफ साइड्स निकालनी है और हमें दिया क्या है? एक्सटीरियर एंगल का मेजर दिया है. ठीक है. सो नाउ वी विल यूज द फॉर्मूला. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन, this is equal to 360 degree divided by measure of each exterior angle. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे measure of each exterior angle कितना है? 24 degrees. ठीक है. हम सॉल्व करते हैं. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? नंबर ऑफ साइड्स ऑफ ए रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन कितनी है? 15. सो हम लिखेंगे इफ ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन is how much? 24 degree, then number of sides are 15. All right. So children, with this today I wind up. In the next class I shall start with question number 4.